point that I chose to dress officially, which I rarely do unless going to Parliament. So I will try to hold that memo, actually, because I was quite a little bit attached when the representative of NAS who spoke here, I don't know his name, tried to turn this into a political forum. I would like first of all to clear the air that the NAS you purported to represent here is not the NAS that I work with. I work with a NAS that has respect, that we work together with a lot of respect in a consultative manner, and I wish that to continue. Those were your personal opinion, because from 2022, we've had a negative personal opinion on me as a person. You never supported me, and I wish you not never to support me. Stick to your mandate, and let's represent the teachers' fraternity, fight for the teachers' welfare, and ensure the teachers get what they deserve. Never use the platform accorded to you by the teachers to present your personal vendetta. If you want that, get a forum out there, call a crowd, address it. I call a competing crowd, we see who has them. Ladies and gentlemen, as we navigate the uncharted waters of artificial intelligence and ever-dynamic youth population and the changing educational needs of the 21st century, we find ourselves on the table of decision-making, and the decisions we make today will shape the next generation of leaders in different fields. Our Constitution clearly defines education as a basic right to all children, and as such, both the county and national government must work together to ensure this is not only a reality, but also the quality and standards are world-class. We all do admit that challenges in funding in all sectors of education have been a major impediment to being at par with our peers in the Western Hemisphere, and this has not only impacted on infrastructure, but also the student-teacher ratio falls short of international standards. While the government has endeavored to bridge that gap in the last 2 years, there is still a lot to be done. The NGCDF board has played a key role in trying to address the infrastructure shortage, more so as we play catch-up in the new competency-based curriculum, CBC, which is aimed at moving education from competition to what education is exactly meant to be, and as is in the rest of the world, imparting knowledge and research. NGCDF, through its constituency NGCDF committees, has ensured that shortage of classrooms is addressed in a timely manner. Education remains a cornerstone of development in Kitutu Masaba, with a strong focus on infrastructure improvement, access to learning resources, and student empowerment. The constituency has one of the largest number of public institutions in the region, 134 public